Hi mga mamshi, great afternoon. Marian Santos from Potentials and the Philippines. So, ang didakin natin today or our devotional is a timeless job. Yung Bible verse niya is from Luke 12 verse 42. Who then is the faithful and prudent manager whom his master will put in charge of the slaves to give them their allowance of food at the proper time. So the one who wrote today's story is Sis Marie Perez. So the story ni Sis Marie is about motherhood. Sabi niya, our passage prompted her to reflect on her role as and journey as a mother. So ano ba yung journey ng mother? So ngayon kasi parang her children or yung son niya is independent na. So sabi niya, she recalls her motherhood days when first day of school, ano pa, bittersweet of letting go, when yung first time that he held his son on her arms, wondering about the person each of them would grow up to be. So kumbaga marami tayong journey as a mother, you know. Reminiscing those memories would give us happy memories and joyful days, no? But sabi niya, as she welcome a new chapter in her life where my sons are no longer extension of myself but unique individual with their own identities and dreams. So kumbaga, they have their own lives. We have to let them go. We have to give them the chance to fly on their own wings and find their North Star, diba? So there is no role in life more essential and more eternal than that of motherhood. So si ano yan, M. Russell Valliard. So, dear Father, let me be a blessing to my children and all the people that my life touches. Help me to use my gifts and abilities in ways that honor you. Amen, amen. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.